Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Django in an isolated Python environment. It is recommended that you use virtual environment to create isolated Python environments. So you can use different packages for different projects, which is far more practical than installing Python packages system-wide. So let's start and install virtual environment first. Open command prompt and then type pip install virtual environment. I have already installed it, so I will continue and create an isolated environment. To do that, simply type virtualenv and your environment name. I'm giving it test. Virtualenv. Sorry, spelling is mistake here. Virtual. Sorry, let me change my directory to desktop first, so it will be easier to show you. Virtual damn it. Oh god, I don't know why am I doing this. CD desktop. As you can see here, this will create a folder named test, which includes a whole Python environment in this single directory. You can see here it is installing setup tools, pip, will. Let's wait for a while. Okay. After creating virtual environment, we need to activate this environment. If you are in Linux or Mac, you type command source bin activate. Source bin slash activate, and this will activate your virtual environment. But I'm in Windows, so I will type test slash scripts. Oh sorry, we should use backslash scripts slash activate. See, it has activated our virtual environment. After this environment is created, we can install Django using pip package manager. Just normally type pip install Django. See here, it is installed in Django. So that's all. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye.